There are a few ways that you can upload things via YouTube if you make your own video. The first is just to go to YouTube and hit create a video, upload video. This will take you to your studio. You select the video. For instance, I made a test video right here and I click open. It uploads the video. Now here's some important pieces. You have to do a title. You can do a description if you would like. Make sure that you click audience. Yes, it's made for kids, otherwise it will be age restricted and your students won't be able to get there. You also have to hit more options and you have to go down to category. And you need to make sure that it's education. Otherwise our filter will block this. You then hit click next, click next. You want to make sure that it's unlisted so that only students or parents with the link will be able to see this video, and then you hit save. You could have tested the video if you want. So there you see the video is going to be linked and it will pop up. Now, if it continues to be blocked, or if you think it might be blocked for some reason, you could then go to Safe YouTube and click here and safeyoutube.net. Then you could always click and put in the URL and then generate a link, and then you can use that link and link it onto your Canvas page or whatever. And if you're really good, here's the HTML code so that you can embed it right there. Hope this helps. Have a great day.